Hey yo, one of the most risky thing you can do is to work a 9 to 5. Because at any moment, at any given time, you can be fired. It is even more risky than working for yourself, because the odds of earning a income is greater when you're actually working for yourself. You know what I mean? Listen to this.
The worst thing you can do is work a job, because it is the most risky thing you can do for the lowest possible reward. Risk and reward must be linked. When you take a big risk, you want a big reward. And the traditional thinking was very simple. It's risky to work for yourself. It's risky to start your own company. It's risky to follow your dreams. In fact, what you should do is avoid the risk, take less reward, and work for a corporate entity. To work for a corporate entity, it can't really go wrong. You get a pension, you get a nice stable job, you don't have to try too hard, you don't have to dedicate yourself too much, and in the end, you get paid every single month on time. But of course, that's not true. Everything is now actually reversed. The riskiest thing you can do is to work for a corporate, and the reward is the lowest. Highest risk, lowest reward is currently with a job. The reason working a job is the riskiest thing you can do is not because of some I won't follow my dreams and I'm taking the risk of not being who I want to be, which is part of it. Truthfully, it's the riskiest way to believe you're going to have food on your table, because AI is coming to replace all of you.
We may not see each other again, so make sure to follow this page.